Alright, so I'm on my way to pick up my first Copart auction win. Bid on a few things before, but never won anything. This one's it's nothing fancy, nothing spectacular, but we'll let you see it when we get there. Yeah, and we'll see what happens. You know, don't despise small beginnings and know how it goes. So yeah, we are on the way to pick up our first Copart auction win in the Suburban here. All right. Here we are, pulling into Copart. Just up inside at Copart, got my bill of sale and paperwork here. Gonna head around to the back, pick up the car, or the, well, scooter. So you guys are gonna see this in just a little bit. So, all right, talk to you later. Just waiting here to figure out where I need to go to pick this thing up. Looks like we got a gridlock here. Don't know where to go. Look at all these cars out here. And, there she is, all loaded up. I'm gonna give you guys a shout out. Here I am, stopped here at the gas station, picked up this scooter for $35. Yes, Copart scooter for $35. She's not beautiful, she's not pretty. I'll give you guys a walk around in just a little bit, but there you go. Just wanted you guys to see this. It's cool. Parking lot, had to tighten up some straps and stuff. But here we have the purchase here. It is a 2014, some Japanese brand scooter, but she was only 35 bucks. Yeah, there's damage here, there, and everywhere. Down there, all around. The kickstart has been welded back on. Hole up here. The cargo thing's been painted red. It was blue, it looks like. The whole thing has got blue paint on it. Yeah, so all kinds of craziness going on here. Brakes on the front are not connected. Some damage down here. Part of the plastic's gone, been repaired. Some just cruddy repairs here and there, everywhere around. But it can be a fun little scooter to ride around shows or whatever you have. Could fix it up and really make it something kind of nice. So there is our $35 Copart scooter up here. It's horn, the gauges. Horn is not working, so I'm guessing the battery is probably dead. There's no key for it, so we'll figure all this stuff out later. All right, so here we are at the house about to unload. This is a Tao Tao VIP 50, which means it's a 49cc Chinese scooter. Gonna order some parts for it here before too long. I'm gonna check out what it needs. Gonna unload it off the trailer and take it in the shop and see what we gotta do. Fix it up, sell it, most likely, ride around with it, have some fun, and then sell it. But yeah, it's gonna be awesome. All right, so here she is in the shop. Yeah, this doubles as a wood shop slash storage slash whatever we can do here at the house. And so anyway, today we're putting this in here, and now we're going to take an inventory of what we need to do. All right, well, this is a multi-function shop, so there's all kinds of stuff over here. We've got too many projects going on right now. There's a camper shell extension, rebuild, remodel going on. You guys will see some of that on this channel. But right now, we're gonna tear this thing apart, take this front fairing off, and a few other things. Pull off this lot number here. All right, well, this cargo box here may or may not go back on. It's broken here, it's got a crack here. We may have to get a new one if we decide to put one back on. But there's some stuff rattling around in there. I have no idea what's in there. But I don't have a key, so I'm gonna have to drill out the locks on this thing. With the ignition, it's really cool. It came with a lock for here and a lock for the cargo space up here on the front. Yeah, so it's pretty awesome. So we'll take this off. Apparently this didn't come on this scooter anyway, so somebody painted it red. It has some reflectors here. Man, this is a tiny battery. This is not what I'm used to, but we're gonna get this thing charged up. We'll try and see if it'll charge. If not, we'll get another one. So we're about to open up the seat here, and underneath the seat there's a compartment, storage compartment, and there's a little quick release lever right back here on the back, and this is how you get your gas filler for your gas tank. Let's see what's in here. All right, there we go, down in there. Not much to really see. Some paper towels, Wells Fargo receipt, and ink pen. Yep, not much in here. Mountain Dew Live wire. 2 of those and a 20 ounce. $30 withdrawal from PNC Bank. Keep those parts over there. Throw this in my trash bucket wherever it went. I have got a serious mess in this place. I've got to clean it up. This is a workshop for woodworking and for working on the cars and trucks and now scooter, and so it's a mess. So I'm gonna take this flathead screwdriver and see if I can get into this lock here. Got a replacement lock coming, like I said earlier, and we'll see what treasures we find in here. Nothing. Absolutely nothing. So, but we can't take this lock out of here now, and we got a replacement coming for it. So that's pretty cool. Used to working with standard, I got to pull out the metric stuff now and see. Working on those Chinese things here. Hopefully I have my 10mm socket. You know, these things disappear. They'd like just walk off. I think they have legs and run off. I don't know, but 10mm sockets, they disappear. Weather was nice, I'd be outside doing this, but today it's what is it, 50 degrees and raining here in North Carolina, and don't really like that. It's kind of like when I went to go pick this thing up, you know, and it was raining and nasty, and now we got it inside here in a warm garage. Taking it apart. All right. We'll find that other bolt here in a little bit, but there's the old ignition. It's been cut and was spliced in before. Not proper. We'll fix it up. Still probably won't be exactly proper, but it's gonna be fixed. It's gonna start and run. We have the thing mostly torn apart. Got a good idea of what we need to order and what we need to look for, and so we put that list together, order what we need to order, get the battery charged, get the ignition switch in. It's coming in tomorrow in a shipment, and well, this is what it looks like right now. It's quite dirty, needs some love. We're gonna give it that love and put her back together and get it running and driving and play with it a little bit.